How to manage notifications in Microsoft Teams. Welcome everyone, and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your Microsoft Teams application in your device, so go ahead and do so. To never miss out any of the important notification, to manage the notification, tap on the three dot icon. Now, from here you need to head over and select on the settings option. Below settings, go ahead and check out notifications and activity. From here on the notification, you can cancel out any of the notification system if you think it is not useful for you. For the missed activity emails, you can select if you want those emails daily or every other hour, or you can even turn it off. Not only this, regarding community emails, you can toggle it on or off regarding community invites or posts sent via email. Now, just like that, at the bottom, regarding the chat, which could be essential for you, you can choose the option to show in the banner, or you can even turn it off. It depends upon mentions, like, and reaction. Sometimes likes and reaction is not quite important, so you can even turn it off. For the meeting, you can set the option of mute until I join or send a message, or you can even toggle off the button for meeting start notification. However, it is always best to toggle on this option as it is essential for you. This is how you manage notifications in Microsoft Teams. Make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.